I'm Laura Reese, and I work for the City of San Jose at the Santa Clara San Jose Water Pollution Control Plant here in San Jose. And we have a very large plant. It's the largest in the western United States. Our average flow is 167 million gallons per day, and our wet weather is 223. So we do quite a large volume of treatment. I'm a wastewater treatment plant operator, and we're standing right now at the outfall, which is the final point of our NPDES permit that the plant has, which every plant has. And you're looking at the discharge, which goes out into the San Francisco Bay. What you're seeing are the final sampling pumps, and also those are what's known as aerators. We have a pH and a DO that we must maintain in order to comply with our permit, and if the DO should drop, the aerators are turned on and they basically just bubble air into the water. On this end, this is where our outfall goes through Coyote Creek out to the South San Francisco Bay. It's a shallow end of the bay, and there's not much tidal activity. Right now the tide's in. Where we're standing right now is basically the most critical part of our wastewater treatment at the plant. The reason that this is here is we have to sample for chlorine. We have to disinfect our wastewater, and then we have to dechlorinate it because chlorine is very toxic to the environment, to the fish, and everything else that's indigenous to this area. Some of my responsibilities, I'm in the filtration and the disinfection area, are to monitor the DCU, which is a complex computer system that basically runs a lot of the pumps and the valves and everything, but still you need us operators to monitor these DCU units, take care of the analyzers, which are constantly monitoring the chlorine and different chemicals that we have in the water, and making sure that we are getting an adequate disinfection. Being an operator, we have to troubleshoot any type of problems that come along in the process stream or in the machinery. And if I can't fix the problem, then we write maintenance requests, and then maintenance will come in and fix it, or instrumentation, whatever the need may be. A big part of an operator's job is the documentation that we do. Our logbook is actually a legal document. We have to keep track of all the different things that we do in the different times. It's something that every operator it has to do daily. Any important process changes, anything that we do at certain times that we need to go back and check on is put in the logbooks, and every different place in the plant, every different process has a logbook. If you want to work in this industry, you have to be able to understand the fact that you're going to have to study. You're going to have to learn the process. You're going to have to learn about the entire field. One of the most critical jobs that an operator does on a day-to-day basis is sampling, and we do the sampling to make sure that we're complying with our permits. We take our samples to the lab and they analyze it, and they feed us back the results. This here is a serpentine, and this is where all the disinfection takes place in the wastewater. And what I'm going to be doing is taking a sample. We take these grab samples at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, we take them at 2 o'clock in the morning, and we take them at 10 in the morning. And it's a representative sample. That's why we take it at the same time every day. After I take these samples, I'll be going straight back to the lab, and they have a refrigerator back there that we put them in, and then the lab checks them for whatever they're going to be doing. There's different samples for different processes.